Hello friends, my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video you are going to learn how to see all your safe password in your Google account, step-by-step tutorial. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial. But before we get started, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe. So let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you look for settings on your phone. So whether you are using iPhone or you are using Android phone, just follow this step. You are going to get it. So click on settings. Then the next thing you want to do is to scroll down, and you have to look for Google right here. Then right here you need to click on manage your Google account. From the point here, you have to locate security right here. Click on security. Then you have to scroll down, and down below right here, you have to look for password manager. So right here, you are going to see all the password, all the website password, Facebook password, Google password, whatever, or Instagram password, or any website you have visited so far. You are going to see the username and password right. So this is how you can see all your password in your Google account, step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.